It's summertime in Brazil. Despite coronavirus, Brazilians are hitting the coast. Luis de Barros and his wife rented an Airbnb for a week at the beach in the tourist hotspot of Florianópolis.
Even while we are at the beach, we are concerned. We tried to come early when there are fewer people. We got here around 8 in the morning to try to avoid the crowds that come later in the day.
But not everyone is so concerned. The state government has approved hotels to run at full capacity. Beaches are packed, restaurants full. Many people are not wearing masks or social distancing. Videos have gone viral over social media showing packed crowds at end-of-the-year parties and raves. It comes as COVID-19 is spiking across the country. More than 3,000 people have died from coronavirus in just 3 days this week, and the death toll is quickly approaching 200,000 people across the country, the second worst in the world after the United States. ICUs are at or nearing capacity in many states. Researchers say it's going to get worse before it gets better.
If we have an increase in cases of COVID-19 in the beginning of 2021, in relation to the high number of cases that we already have in the end of 2020, we could be headed towards the worst moment for the virus that we have seen yet in Brazil.
Schwarzhaupt, at least in part, blames President Jair Bolsonaro, who has downplayed the pandemic, promoted unproven drugs, and criticized vaccinations. Despite Brazil's long history as a regional leader in health and science, Brazil has yet to approve a vaccine and still has no date for when vaccinations will begin. Meanwhile, the new highly transmissible coronavirus variant has been confirmed in Brazil. Without a clear plan for lifting the country from the health crisis, Brazilians appear to be left adrift and are now simply doing what they can to enjoy a little sun. Some are social distancing, many are not. The pandemic seems poised to drag on here for a very long time. Michael Fox, TRT World, Florianópolis, Brazil.